In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write fractions in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself struggling to present clean and neat fractions in your document, you're in the right place. Google Docs has some handy features that can help us format fractions properly, making them easier to read and aesthetically pleasing. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open Google Docs. You can use either an existing document or create a new one from scratch. Simply type docs.google.com into your web browser and sign in with your account if needed. Once you're on the main page, click on the document you want to work on or hit blank to start a fresh document. Now that you're in your document, the initial step is to type out the fraction just as you normally would. For instance, if you want to write 1/2, type 1/2. Google Docs recognizes common simple fractions such as 1/2 and 3/4, so they'll automatically be formatted as fractions. However, for more complex ones like 5/8, further formatting is required to achieve that traditional fraction look. To properly format, start by typing the whole fraction with a slash. Next, select just the numerator, the number on top. Highlight it by clicking and dragging your mouse over it. Now go up to the menu bar and click on Format. From the drop-down, choose Text, then a secondary menu will appear. In this menu, select Superscript. This action elevates the appearance of the numeral, placing it slightly above the baseline, mimicking the numerator's position in a traditional fraction. Next, you need to do the same for the denominator, the bottom number. Select the denominator by highlighting it. Return to the Format option in the menu bar, click on Text once again, and this time choose Subscript from the options. This will lower the number so that it sits below the baseline, much like a true denominator, and that's it! You've now manually formatted your fraction to appear as it traditionally would. While typed slashes provide ease of input, formatting like this can elevate the presentation of information in your document, especially in equations or technical documents where clarity is key. With these simple steps, you can make sure your fractions look as professional as possible in Google Docs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try experimenting with a few different fractions to get the hang of it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been useful for your documentation needs. Happy writing!